Hello guys, so it's over there. So today we're gonna playing tower. So there's no player. So anyways guys, you're watching over this channel. So make sure to subscribe. And also let me know in the comments. I think I am going to this beat it. At least I'm going to beat it guys. What happened? What happened to my body? I'm just flying. Okay, so let me know in the comments. I should just beat it this game. So it's been for a while, so I'm going to beat that game. So anyways, we're going to keep uploading videos. So anyways, like this game. This game is awesome. So I wanted to beat that game, guys. I know I'm going to beat this game. That is called thing. Did player join me or not, guys? Did player join me or not? Subscribe to my channel, guys, to get 600 or 700. So let me know in the comments, right? So subscribe right now. Wait, there's player there. Oh no, player join me. No. Go. We need to be careful. We need to be careful, guys. What's that? Oh wait, there's invisible. Oh wait, it's easy. I think the player will not even just interrupt me. How many? Only got one player, guys. I think player join me, guys. I think player join me. So let me know in comments. I can just beat it if I want. How many wins do I have? Wait, player join me. Yes, player just joined me, I think. So, anyways, we're going to beat that game. So, we're going to be careful, guys. We're going to be careful. We need to be careful, guys. So, that is easy mode and hard mode. So, let me know in the comments. I suggest being Granny's house. I think I like this game. Very good copyright, I think. So, let me know in the comment section about this mod. So, I can... No! No, or else. If I fall? Yeah, I fall. No! I need to... Okay, so I restart the game, because it's gonna be lagging. So I'm not lagging, so let's do it. Okay, so let's gonna do it, guys. Okay, so let me know in the comments that I wanted to play every tower, I think. So let me know in the comments. I wanted to keep lagging. This accidentally keep lagging. Bro, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck, guys. I wanted to just ship Brock, okay. Bro, look. Bro, do not lag. Oh, fun. Bro, what happened to my tablet? Stop it. My tablet is broken. I accidentally smashed harder and harder than I'm going to leave. This game's hard mode. I hate this. No, stop lagging. I look like a turtle. Stop lagging. Bro, stop lagging. Oh my god, I look so lagging. Look at me, I'm lagging. Stop it or else I'll leave. Oh my god. Ooh. Bro, I look so silly, guys. Oh my god. Bro, I'm lagging. I can't.